Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar and this is our channel Mohammed Anwar and Education for us all. Welcome to this segment which is Cooking Made Simple. Today we're going to make another egg omelette based dish. It will have carrots in it and a few other usual additions such as garlic cloves, tomatoes and cucumber. We will also need a corn flour. So as you can see, the carrots have been grated. So over here we have some oil and we need about, well, we're going to start off with a spoonful of cumin, zira. Okay, let that cook a little bit. Okay, once that's cooked for a minute, let's add the carrots. So these will have a lot of moisture in them. I have tried to take the water out, but they will obviously have a lot of moisture, so we need to take as much of that out as possible. So we need to cook it for about, I would say, at least 5 minutes. I'm going to mix that really well and let it cook for 5 minutes, as I say. I should also say it's on slow heat. Again, you know, we are trying to take the moisture out. Okay, whilst that is cooking, we're going to prepare the egg mixture. So as always, crack the eggs. We're going to give that a good whisk and add tomatoes and the onions to that, as well as the spices. We'll add in the tomatoes and some onions. So those, I'd say, 1.5 tomato and half an onion in there. Okay, that is lovely. And if we could add the spices. So we've got some turmeric going in there, haldi, chili, and garam masala. And finally, a little bit of salt to taste. But we're back to our carrots cooking away there nicely. Can we add the garlic to that, please? Okay, so into that we're going to add about 5 tablespoons of corn flour so that it really gets bound together. Okay, that's cooked nicely now, so we're going to turn up the heat and put the egg mixture over that. So we're going to just cook it like this. It's up to you. If you want to add further things, then that's up to you. So as you can see, we've spread the egg mixture right out. Okay. And keep moving the edges so that it doesn't stick. Okay, to sort of speed up the process, just to cover it up and cook it for another minute or so that the other side cooks really well. Okay, that's cooked nicely, viewers. We're going to try and turn that over now by putting a plate over it. So as you can see, that was successfully flipped over, and now we're going to try and cook the other side a little bit. So we've added a little bit more oil into there, and can we slowly slide that into there, please? Okay, so this again should only take a minute or so because it will have been cooked earlier. Okay, so both sides nicely cooked. So this is my carrot pancake, as I call it. So we think the other side is cooked, so we're going to try and turn it over once again and show you the final version. And there is our final product, viewers, my carrot and egg pancake. Okay, so let's have a little bit of a taste. It looks mighty fine to me. Okay, so the proof is in the tasting, as it were. Yes, I do say that has worked out really nicely. I do hope you're going to try my very, very, very simple recipe, viewers. Until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये सिंपल सी रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. Look after yourselves. Look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.